I'm Allie.
I'm Jane.
Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be doing different Instagram photos.
So it's ugly. It's trying to take an Instagram picture in an ugly location. So we each get three. We have to post 3 things, and we can't copy each other's
With each
posts.
other.
Yeah, and so I found my first location. It is this ugly like cement ramp thing.
And so technically, I can't post any pictures right now. So when I'm done with this vlog, I will definitely post some Instagrams. Okay. So Jane's going first, and we're gonna go together actually. So it's not really Jane's first. So yeah, we're just gonna.
Okay, so I want you to like. This is gonna be weird to watch. Okay.
Put in my wallet though. Okay. So it's on a timer, right? So you're gonna go like that. Should I go like this?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go like. It's warm.
Okay, I don't know what position. Why is the coffee so warm?
I don't know. I'm gonna go like this.
Oh, I thought someone was coming out.
I'm gonna go like this.
No, I don't know what position to go in.
Fine, how about we just do like a hugging one up here?
No, it's cute. We want to be weird.
Jeez. That's weird. How about I go like this? How about this is failed?
Oh wait, how I'm holding you.
Okay, that's fair. Okay,
Wait,
I'll just stand here and you just try to get your hand there. Yeah. You have to click the button with your
Wait,
other
stand on my 2 fingers.
Hold on, tell me to go like left or right or something. It's gonna look different on Instagram.
Okay. Yeah, this is kind of boring.
How about you just hold me?
What?
I mean, like, hold me.
Okay, let me put it on a 10-second timer. It's so echoey.
I know. I'm like, echo.
Woo!
Jane, come on.
Okay.
we're back.
Ew, I do not like being on the ground. Okay. So I'm holding Allie up.
Mom's probably wondering where the heck we are.
Well, we still have to take more pictures.
Tag me.
It's on a timer, if you're wondering why we're not talking. I think I got it. Okay, I'm gonna look at the picture and see if it's good. So I don't have storage, so I have to go to Instagram to look at it. Let's see. Oh, Misha posted something. Misha, hey. Oh my god, my thumb is fat. There it is.
Wait, let them see it on Instagram. Put a filter on it.
The 3rd one's gonna be a surprise.
Put a filter on it.
Put a filter on it. Do you want me to post it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll post it. So yeah, this is our first ugly location.
Yep.
I wanted to be in a different position though.
Wait, we forgot to say our usernames.
Oh yeah.
I'm Allie, ALLIEBEANER.
Don't spell it, just say it.
101. But it's easier.
Allie Beaner 101.
Jane, say yours.
And I am at Jane's Life 00. Okay, we're trying to make a caption. Filming What is that channel called?
Oh.
We don't know yet.
Yeah.
It's our first video. Okay, so it's posting.
Yep, and we have...
It's not that good of a picture, but...
Okay, we have to carry all our stuff to a new
Okay, so
location.
that was the first one of mine. So whoever's the first one to find it gets it. So,
yeah. We're gonna go find a new place, and I'll see you there.
so we're walking.
And we're walking.
Oh,
the statue!
Okay,
Yes,
Allie
okay.
found hers. She's gonna take hers at the statue.
Yeah, but I can't stop this.
Dang.
So just take yours at the statue. I can find better places.
Okay, so we're just looking for pictures for my Instagram now.
Yep, so now we're at the statue, and yeah.
So we are in front of this really ugly statue.
Yep, it's actually pretty ugly.
So
So come on, Jane, go ahead.
it's not gonna look good.
Jane,
There's a guy coming, so we're just gonna let him walk. Yeah, we just walk. Let's stop it. No.
no. Annie. Jake.
What?
What the heck?
It's Misha.
I don't care.
Oh.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I don't like this location.
You don't? Well, it's supposed to be ugly, right?
Not that ugly.
Come on.
Wait, in front of that door?
In front of that door? Seriously?
Oh,
So it's gonna be right here, and yeah, we're just gonna stand there, but I'm not gonna film it because I have nowhere to put my phone. Sorry, you can see it on Instagram at Jane's Live 00. Yeah, 00. Okay, so since we're not going on the door, I guess, right?
We are.
Oh, we are. And then we're gonna do the what the? Yeah, we're gonna do the door down there, and then we're gonna do the picnic table, and then we're gonna do the picnic table on Jane's phone.
To go follow me on Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram to see all of these pictures.
And follow me.
But you're not even posting on your Instagram.
I am soon
I'm
when the video ends.
Okay.
But you can only see him on Instagram. Sorry. Just kidding. Okay. Ready, Jane? Okay, it turns out there's people everywhere, so we're just going to take one on the picnic table.
Ugh, oh, it's wet.
So? It's supposed
to jumping picture?
No. Wait, actually, yeah. We're going to take a jumping picture. There.
Because the picture has to be ugly, so we just want to do
A jumping
one
picture.
at a random picnic table behind a
Yep,
not so
we're gonna
good
go
looking building.
something
Okay,
like
so this is at the Purple Rose. I'm using your phone to prop
dang
up my
it.
phone.
Is that a good idea?
Like,
Jane really has to pee.
I know this is someone's backyard, but
No, we shouldn't.
but there's just stone wall. How about the fence then?
We can do the fence, just not their house.
In the backyard.
The floor, the ground is so wet right now. The weather here is
like.
like super wet.
Okay, so we got a little precipitation.
I'm so happy that you're my best friend.
What the heck? Why?
Because
I'm willing to go in someone's backyard.
no, because I thought you meant peeing in their backyard. I was like,
Oh my God! I meant taking a picture.
yeah, I was like, what? No.
Oh my God! There's a cat watching us. Okay, so there's gonna be a cat watching us take the picture. There's probably someone watching the cat though.
Okay, how about it's just one picture?
This cat is so cute. Hi.
You want to take a picture of the cat?
If I go to scratch it, it'll spot me. I mean, if I go to pet it, it'll spot me.
What the heck? Okay, so this video has been 7 minutes long, so we have to start hurrying. So we were pretty much planning on taking a picture by the stop sign,
Which is a super ugly location.
yes, and she's going to be putting her hand out saying stop, and I'm going to be behind her saying going stop also.
Really?
So maybe
How are we gonna find? Okay, yeah.
Tweety! I saw a yellow car. I was like,
Okay,
Tweety!
there's a game we play. When we see a yellow car, we select and say, no,
okay, there's a car. So, I accidentally stopped the video, so this is like a second video, I guess.
Oh,
So,
and from the fire hydrant.
oh, that's pretty, the flowers too.
No, the fire hydrant was an ugly location.
Yeah. So you want to do it?
Yeah.
So how about the stop sign and the fire hydrant?
Okay, stop sign and fire hydrant?
Yeah.
Okay. So how are we gonna process the phone?
The phones?
Yeah, because the ground is so wet.
Well, I'm going to put my phone by the tree.
Okay, you put your phone by the tree, but I want to get an angle that's straight on.
Well, we can put it on the stop sign. Or you can take one by yourself.
No. Do you want it?
What the? Cheat. Ugh. I have a stupid friend. Don't have friends like her.
Please don't. Just suffer.
Gene.
Or someone has to pull into the garage. We're in someone's driveway.
Seriously.
Okay.
Gene, they're probably looking. Is it up?
Yeah, it's up, but it's like
Okay, this one is going to be,
a toughie.
yeah. So we're just gonna put it right there. It's gonna be bad aim. You're not gonna see us at all. Okay. Okay, you're gonna be stop, and I'm gonna go stop.
Okay. It's gonna be stupid. You don't think that one was good?
Yeah, no. We were holding out our hands, but we're gonna have to post it. Right, Jade?
No, we're not.
No, we have to post it.
We can retake it.
No, we have to post it.
Why?
Because when you're here, let's make that a rule. For me too.
No.
Yeah, come on.
I could put it on my story or something.
No, come on.
Oh, I already got 2 likes. One with Mason.
What the heck? Mason is one of our friends.
Maybe if we zoomed in more on us.
I think it's funny. I like it. Post it. Yeah, I like it.
Look, my hands look like goblin hands.
It's fine.
Look at my hand. If you could see it, look, it's like a goblin hand right there.
Okay, we should go. Come on. Come on.
Wait, let me see this one that we took in front of the wall. Want to?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go back to the wall.
No.
Where's the wall? It's over there.
It's all the way down there.
Oh, lazy, come on.
No, Jan, I'm serious. Come on.
Why? Let's take one in front of this person's garage.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I want to take one in front of this garage.
No, come on. We have 3 pictures and you're refusing to post them. It's starting to rain.
I don't care. We can take pictures in the rain.
No, dude, you have 2 photos. You're going to post them.
No, I'm not.
Well, then we're going to end this.
No!
Yes.
I have an idea.
Anyways, guys, this is not turning out so good. It started to rain. It sucks. We still have, how many photos do we have left for you? Still have 2 photos?
Yeah.
Can you please just post that one?
No, it's cringy.
No, it's not. It's fine. Come on, how about we just post 1 picture? Come on, I'm tired and I want to go home. I want to go home.
Put it in the tree.
She's really weird.
I told you, this is weird locations. The tree.
No,
is
it's bad, ugly location. I'm not gonna
You ready?
What if the phone falls on our face cam?
I'm holding it. So we're gonna take a picture in the tree, guys.
You can't even look.
See, look, I'm holding my phone up. What face?
Here we go. Wait, should I do a weird face?
No. Yeah. Oh, we didn't expect it to. Okay, I found the tree.
Is it good?
Look, let's say fine for the caption. Come on, look this way. Oh God! Come on, come on.
Oh, what the?
So we're gonna just make a random picture.
I'm barely in it, but what the heck?
Yeah, because I want to be the center of attention.
Okay. Well, it's technically your phone. You have to tag me this time.
Okay, I'll try to tag you.
Try?
Oh, come on. Do you want me to post this?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so we're gonna post this bad one that we took in front of the wall earlier because we started a video, then the video failed. So we took this really weird one.
Wait, can we like stop this and like, cause we're gonna make a mystery one, and then I'm gonna make all mine mystery. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Say bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
We're gonna make a mystery one later.
Yeah.
So you have to go follow me and see the
We're
picture.
gonna make 4
And I don't have a
mystery
private account. So
ones.
it's easy.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.